Hello, it's week 3 of November and we're venturing back into udon territory with Tiffy Cook's recipe for Miso Carbonara Udon. I will link the recipe in the description box below. You will need 200 grams of guanciale or pancetta. I'm using pancetta, but speck or bacon would also be fine. 4 egg yolks, 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns, 1 teaspoon of Szechuan peppercorns, 2 tablespoons of red or white miso paste. I'm using red miso for this recipe, and udon noodles. We're going to start by toasting the peppercorns off to get a stronger flavour. We're going to do this in a dry pan over medium heat. Once they are ready, we're going to grind them. If you have a spice grinder, that's cool, but I'm using a mortar and pestle. If you don't have either, put the peppercorns in a Ziploc bag and crush them with a rolling pin or something heavy that won't damage you, your worktop, or the item you're using. Then set aside for later. Now we're going to cube up the pancetta. It's been a while, let's see if... Nope. Let's try again. One more time. There we go. Now we're going to put the cube pancetta in a cold pan, bring it up to a medium temperature, allowing you to render the fat and also make the meat crispy. Separate the cooked meat from the oil and set aside 2 tablespoons of the rendered fat for the sauce. Time to separate the eggs. Don't forget you can freeze the whites and use them another time. Personally, I'm saving mine to make quiche. I hope you're having a great day, and if not, I hope that at least this video is offering you some respite and that things will improve for you. Also, yes, I am talking to distract you from my horrendous separation of eggs. It's okay. If possible, eat your mistakes and try again. Let's move on. To the egg yolks, we are adding Parmesan cheese, the ground peppers, miso paste, and pancetta oil. We're going to mix them to combine. Before you ask where's the salt, the oil, the cheese, and the miso will easily salt this dish. Give your salt grinder the night off. Now is a great time to start cooking your udon. Follow the instructions on the packet to ensure that you cook it correctly. Once the udon is ready, set aside 1/4 cup of the water that it was cooked in, drain the udon and mix with the sauce and serve. I am doing this over heat to ensure that the eggs have a little bit of a cook and the Parmesan cheese melts. If you find that the sauce isn't combining correctly or that it's not mixing well with the noodles, use some of that water that we set aside before we drain the udon. Next time I make this, I will be adding more Szechuan peppercorns because I want more of that numbing feeling that you get, but that's just me. This was super easy to make, even counting in the grinding of the peppercorns and rendering of the pancetta. It took me in total about 25 minutes to make these noodles. I will link to Tiffy's recipe below, and don't forget to subscribe for more noodle videos as well as travel adventures.